How to germinate peach seeds without cold stratification. This is the peach seed which I've collected recently. Take a container, add some sand for good drainage system. Now add some potting soil after that. Put the seeds and fill up the soil. The best time to grow the peach seed is in late winter or early spring. If you live in a warm climate, then you can create a cold and moist condition called stratification, which is essential for a peach seed to germinate. Now keep it in a shady area. After a few months, it sprouts. As you can see the roots. It looks healthy. Peach seeds need to go through the cold winter period in order to germinate or cold stratification. If you live in a warm climate, then you can create a cold and moist condition called stratification. How to do this? Take the clean and dry seeds. Put the seeds in a container with moist soil mixed with sand. Don't add too much water, otherwise it may damage your seeds. Put it in a refrigerator until it began to sprout. Now I will grow it in a new pot. But before that, I will show you how they germinate. Here, look at this. Its hard shell called pit is already broke off. And this is the root structure from seeds. When we see near a peach tree, young saplings are not easily found, as they don't germinate easily like mango or jackfruit seeds due to its hard shell. My soil mixture contained 50% soil, 30% sand and 20% fertilizer. After 2 months, it grows well. Since I'm growing it to make a bonsai, I have to wire it to create shape. While wiring, we have to be very careful. Don't wire it tight. Since it is just a sapling, tight wiring may damage the plant. Make sure it is loose. On the top, you can see few branches have shown up. After wiring, bend it to your desired shape. While bending, slowly and carefully bend it, otherwise it may damage the young plant. I like this shape. You can create your own. After 1 year, I'm planning to do grafting with this plant to get early flowering and fruits. A lot of hard work is needed to create a bonsai. Sometimes, we have wait for a month or year to make one video. Next video coming soon. Do subscribe to check out my next video. Thank you so much guys.